Precise humidity. When manufacturing products, the production line environment needs to be perfect. The amount of moisture in the air plays a critical role in an efficient manufacturing process, but not all commercial humidifiers are created equal. Some methods use large droplets that fall to the floor quickly and wet the environment like rain. Some methods need constant maintenance, requiring changing many components of the system, making it expensive and a hassle to operate the system. Some methods do not control the humidity accurately, creating condensation that causes mold. But there is a better way. Introducing Smart Fog. Smart Fog technology is different. Smart Fog technology is based on a natural decorrelation process. These effects are caused by the negative charge of the oxygen molecule and the positive charge of the hydrogen molecule attracting. Smart Fog decorrelation technology reverses the correlation effect through a non-chemical mechanical process. The technology reverses the cohesion and maximizes adhesion. Smart Fog evaporates completely into the air before reaching the surface, creating a lightning-fast uniform coverage. Smart Fog technology provides precise humidity, no puddles, no mold or bacteria, and low maintenance. Create a controlled manufacturing environment. Save money on maintenance. Use less energy. Smart Fog, high-quality industrial and commercial humidifier systems. Contact us today to learn more.